menu. I think you can see all that there. Very popular for education. A lot of students out here. There's a lot of universities and colleges. Very popular, high-ranking ones. As you can see, a lot of people viewing my channel are not subscribed. It would be super cool if you could subscribe to my channel. It costs absolutely nothing. You don't get that for nothing in the world. And if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe. It would be just cool to help the channel go. So if you're feeling kind and generous and want to give your thumb a little bit of exercise, click that subscribe button.
Yeah.
There we have the library. Have local pubs. Hair salon. The local ones. Seems to be closed. We have a coffee shop here. See what the prices are. Not bad. Touch expensive, but you know, doable. Then you have another studio there. Hair seems to be popular. Oh, we have houses here. Let's see if we have any prices up. 215,000, 190,000 for this one. One bed apartment. 190,000 euro for one bed apartment. There's a two bed, 215,000, not too bad. There's one there, over 500,000. I don't know if you can see these. There's 1.2 million now, but I'm looking at it and it looks like it's worth 1.2 million. So we'll give them that one. Pharmacies, phone repair, technology repair shop, vape shop, looks like as well. Look what you can see in there. Tripods and stuff. Don't know if you can't see in there. Big glare. Bookies. Coffee lounge. Ooh, those cakes look delicious. Oh, yeah. Ah, come on, man. Come on. Yeah, there you go. You can see that cake. Fantastic. Opening hours Monday to Saturday. So yeah, a lot of things close on the weekend because a lot of the students that will be here go away for the weekends. Weekend music in McMahon's Lounge. Very country feel, although it's only a couple of minutes outside of Dublin. And Supermax. Ooh, Supermax. Papa John's. They would be the hot spots for the drunken nights. Then you have like this little arch here in the middle of town. See if we can cross the road here without dying. Success. Right. And we have a bistro. Bistro 53. Ooh, that looks very elegant. I don't know if you can see in there. That looks like more like a very fancy fine dining restaurant. Very fancy. EBS is like a building society bank type thing. alterations. Pretty cool. And the bank have the red door, which doesn't explain a lot. Of peats, chippers. Still not explained what it is. It's just saying the red door. No idea what that is. Could be like some high up fraternity or something. I don't know. Minute University. That's they've got a north and south, so you can imagine how big the campus is. Technology, another technology repair place. That was central. Might go in there for a snack on the way back. AIB, a pizza place, another pub, Fitzgerald public bar, yeah. Then you have a guard station. A lot of the country ones would have had old ones and they've never been really renovated, so they might all look the same. They're just a big house that was taken over. Right. Take a little look up and see what's up on this historic part. Looks like that's nature walks around the place. Some old aircon phone boxes a bit. Yeah, man. Yeah. If we die, we die. There we go. We're safe. Another phone repair place. Mexican. I don't see many Mexican places around. Do you have a menu? No. And we have like a coffee shop. See the prices there. I don't drink coffee, so I'm not sure of the prices. And we start seeing some historic rooms from back in the day. Cool. I don't know if I can get in there now. Looks to be cordoned off. Oh wait, that might be my thumbnail right there. That'd be a nice thumbnail, yeah? Probably too late because you already know what the thumbnail is. So I don't know why I explained that, because I explained it in the last couple of videos. This is probably the thumbnail that you've already clicked on my video for. I'm an idiot. Ooh. That's an even bigger one there. Let's see if we can pan that up there. One thing I love about winter is you kind of get more of a longer golden hour with the sun. Seems more dramatic throughout the day. Let's see what we got here. Northeast Kildare. So you have St Mary's Church of Ireland, St Joseph's Square, Maynooth, Millwall, Maynooth Castle, that's over there. Burial Ground of Arthur Guinness, Royal Canal, Kilcock. There's plenty of things to do in Kildare. Oh yeah, we are in Kildare, by the way. Don't know if I mentioned that. And yeah, I think this is like the college grounds, but they would be intertwined with, you know, walking, and, you know, students and whatnot probably come here on the weekends to study, party. Yeah, minute campus. So I don't want to be that guy. There now. Lovely little village. I'm gonna grab a bite on the way, and then I'm gonna go stop off at one or two other places, make a few more videos, and hopefully that covers me for a week and a few days. As it's coming into winter, it might be awkward to make some good videos because the weather might be bad. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, share. If you have any recommendations of places for me to visit, I do have further afield ones like Belfast and Skellig Michael and all that planned eventually in Galway. It's just I don't get paid by YouTube, and I fund all my trips myself, and my regular job just pays for, you know, my bills. So yeah, it takes time for me to save up money to go on these trips. So yeah, stay tuned. There's a little river there or something. There's a little river there, but it looks overgrown and, you know, horrible. Anyway, have a good day. Like and subscribe. Blah 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 blah.